Hey guys, it's Trucker, and I just wanted to do a quick video. I happened to come across this place. I'll show you this card here, and it's got all the information on here. It's called Just for Parrots. It's in Springfield, Missouri. It's very loud in here because all the birdies, but I'm going to give you a quick video here and show you the birds and stuff like that in here and all the neat stuff that they have in here. And I'll show you the card again at the end with all the information. So, see if I zoomed out. I'm going to zoom out. There we go. And I'm zoomed out here. Okay, so we're going to come around. We're going to show you. Hey, can you put on a pretty smile? I'm going to videotape you. How pretty are you? Look at you. Hi, what are you doing? Huh? Yeah. Look at you. Wow. And this guy definitely got to get you on video, huh? Yeah, look at you. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Yeah. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Hi. He's so pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. Hi. Look at the baby. Hi. Hi there. Yeah. I was in here once before, like 5 months ago, and there wasn't nearly this many birds in here. Hi. Hello. Oh yeah, you're pretty, huh? Yeah, you're pretty. Yeah, you're pretty birdie. Yes. Oh yeah, you're pretty birdie. Yes, you are. Yeah. Oh. Well, hi. What are you talking about? Hi. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. No. Look at you. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're too pretty. Look at that, guys. Wow. Hello. 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 That's a pretty parrot, yeah. Pretty parrots. It's pretty parrots, yeah. Oh, pretty parrots. Oh, here we go. Now we're on to the speedies. Those are finches. Cockatiels. Wildly guessing that's a parrot since they're in the cage together. So pretty. So many different colors. Look at you. It's okay, you don't have to be scared. I'm going to hurt you. I'm going to get you on video. You're so pretty. Look at you. Okay guys, I just wanted to show off these birds in here. It's a pretty place. So here's the card again, called Just for Parrots, and it's in Springfield, Missouri. Phone number is 417-576-2704. They're on South Glenstone Avenue, Suite C. There it is, Just for Parrots. Make sure you like and subscribe to my videos.
Head east toward Glenstone Avenue.
Hit the notification bell. Thanks, guys. I'm going to get you as the outer.